In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online seated at home, seated in your office, seated in the kitchen. Are you seated in your business? You can make extra income using this. Do you know you can make a YouTube channel, or you can make money online at the comfort of your home? You can make money online when you're at work. You can make money online when you're in your kitchen. No, talk about somebody who is saying, no, I don't have anything, but you have a business. That business of yours can make you make money online while using some of the internet apps or some of the apps that are built on your phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online seated at home, seated in your office, seated in the kitchen. Are you seated in your business? You can make extra income using YouTube and other social media platforms. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christina on the Market Show. This is a mind-blowing video because I know there's someone out there. You think, no, I have a business. Oh, you think I don't have anything to offer as far as what Christine is always telling us. No, hold on. But before that, this is a disclaimer. Let me tell you guys, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial I'm a consultant. No, I'm a person who has used a smartphone to change the life of people around me, to change my life first, and even to make sure that I can give something to someone who is in need. So is you. I can see you have that heart. You want to help somebody out there, but you completely don't have anything. Behold, hold on. Today, I'm going to show you using one of the example of a person that asked me today that how can I make money online? Then I just grabbed his business. I'm going to use his business right now as a sample survey or as a sample case study. You guys, allow me to say thank you to all engagers. You guys, especially Megan, especially Joes, and even all Mama Joes, I love you so much. Ruth, you guys, Immaculate Show team, I heart you, I love you. God bless you for me. And to you people who just subscribed, this is a platform that we really make sure that we can really be trained, or we can train ourselves on how to make money with our smartphones. Come to think about it. Which job are you having right now? Are you selling second-hand clothes? Are you selling confectionery? Or you're selling a hardware shop? Let's go with a hardware shop. I was asked by a man of God who asked me, Tina, Imak, he said, Imak, will you train me on how to earn money online? And here I am to tell you, yes, you can earn money, you can make money online using your business. The sample study we're going to use now is by Faith's hardware shop. If you want to buy anything concerning construction, tiles, roofing, and anything construction of your house, I want you to go to Mbarara. If you're around Mbarara, there is someone called By Faith. Even if you go to TikTok and you put By Faith, you're going to see this guy says hardware things. Then there's other ladies who are selling, for example, second-hand clothes. If you're in Mbarara and you want to dress your kids, there's a lady called Hope. On TikTok, she's Hope25. Go in Mbarara and you get the best. I'm going to use these two businesses that if you are in that category of business or in any other category of business, you can build an online business and you can make money without even selling anything. Now, let's start. If I was By Faith, a person of hardware, or I'm Hope, a person of second-hand clothes, every day I'm going to pick one thing. So for example, By Faith is going to pick one product that is used on tiling, for example, tiles, and is going to make videos on tiles. When you make videos on tiles, this video doesn't need to be very long. You can make a video of 3 to 8 minutes. What are you going to use this video? You're going to be talking about the usage, the features and benefits of that tile. I mean, the tiling, the one we use for the floor, when you talk about the features and benefits and why should people, because there are some people who will think, okay, I can put cement and I go. Why should people put tiles? And you take this video, small clip of video, put it on TikTok, put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram, and put it on YouTube. Now I recommend you to start with YouTube. When By Faith post this item on YouTube, there are people without knowledge. Like the way you can hear, I can't even know the benefits and features of a tile. But you as By Faith, you'll be knowing. One, you're going to get people to educate them about that product you're selling. So people are going to have royal trust in you, because what you sell, you know it. That is one, meaning you're building a community and royal fans. Two, you're going to earn AdSense, earning monthly from YouTube, because your product, by the way, is one of the, especially when it is on marketing, it is not music, it is not entertainment, the CPM will be high. Three, you can even use your product and make a shop on YouTube. This is how you're going to be earning. And come to think about it, I want you to go with me and we go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, I'm very sure we are going to check on YouTube, like the way you can see on the screen, there are people who are doing that already. You are not going to be the first. So you cannot tell me that you don't know how to make money on YouTube or you can online. It's because you have not been told about it. Now, the second example, I'm going to give you Hope. Hope 25 sells second-hand kids' clothes. Do you know everybody in Uganda and in particular Mbarara City sells second-hand? There are very many shops. But how can you earn both online without telling somebody to come and buy your product, and also earn, select, build your royal customers? And also, one, if I'm Hope, I'm going to get 3 products for kids. How should you dress a child, a newborn child? And Hope has them, starting from the inners, going to the sweaters, the t-shirts, the dresses, casuals, and even for Hope, for everything. Now, if I'm Hope, I'm going to talk about these dresses. I start talking about what is a dress material. Hope has materials like for kids are in cotton, meaning if a child is putting on cotton is different from a child who is putting on polyester in terms of health-wise, and also in terms of breathability and even durability. Now I'll tell viewers, you guys, me as Hope, I'm selling clothes which are 100% cotton. They are not only cotton, but the thread count is high. My clothes for kids, the thread count is always hard. And the more the higher the thread count, the more the durability, the more the warmth. Like kids need those things that are a bit warm. So that is a plus. You go ahead as Hope. You talk about the things you add on. Because not everybody that is selling something is, and I'm not saying that other people are not selling good things, but Hope is building an online community, of which even online community, not that one, it is not going to buy from her rather, but it is going to, these videos are going to make her get money. They are going to make her build a brand, such that in future, if I'm Hope, I'll put my shop on YouTube. 2, I can get donations, especially for people from outside. I get membership. And the video I'm making, it means a lot because it is out competing other people. Not everybody that is in second hand is low, no, but the knowledge that you're bringing in. Now I'm earning from YouTube. Even if I make loss or I make short from the shop, on YouTube, they will be paying me out of the product that I've just displayed. Not that I'm calling you to buy it, but the content. People want to know how your products are different from other people's product. As you're talking to people, at the same time, YouTube is appreciating you, and even the world is appreciating you. Without forgetting, you are building the brand. Now, do you think you can build a YouTube from nothing? Yes, you can build YouTube from nothing, from what you have. If I want right now, I can build a YouTube from what I have as my family. I'll start from my studio, what I use. I talk about that product. I put a link of where I bought it. I go to my bedroom. I talk about from the 5 layers, from the bed sheet, mattress topper, mattress, all that. You guys, if you want to know more about making YouTube, hit the subscribe button and ask me in the comment section. I'm going to teach you more. But you can